So here we have the Volkswagen Golf on a 64 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of it from there. As we approach the back of the car you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. Now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 82,050. The information displayed above that can be changed by using buttons on the steering wheel. We're on the driving data menu at the moment, so for example, you can have that digital readout for the speedometer. There are other menus available to you as well, and you can see those being cycled through now. And the buttons to do that are just here. We have stereo controls over that side as well, which continue over on the left-hand side, along with cruise control. Once you set cruise control, you can hit this button here. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front's speed. Over in the centre, we then have the main touchscreen for the car. So you have a few option buttons down the right and left hand side. So we're on the radio menu, for example, and then it all becomes touchscreen. You can see we have DAB, FM and AM radio available. If you want to listen to your own music, press the media button. There's a number of ways you can listen to your own music as well, and they include Bluetooth audio. So you can pair your phone. Not only then can you make and receive phone calls, you'll also be able to stream your music wirelessly as well. And pairing your phone is done by hitting the phone button and following the instructions on screen from there. You can also go back to the main menu if you wish to and use this dial or swipe through the various options on the screen. Below that, we've got the air conditioning for the car. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed and direction of the air. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set here, of course. We've also got a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same for the passenger side of the car as well. This section opens up, and inside there we've got Volkswagen's multimedia interfaces. Lots of different attachments you can buy that will plug in this end, and they all have different attachments on this opposite end. Obviously this one is for a current Apple device, as you can see. And then we have a 5-speed manual gearbox, next to which we can turn off the stop and start for this car and change the driving setup as well. So you're able to put the car into normal, sport, eco or individual. And under individual you can customize those settings you see on the screen now. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.